Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn a grammar topic, active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. What is active voice? A sentence is said to be in active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. In active voice, subject is given importance. In active voice, subject is given importance. That means the sentence in an active voice starts with a subject, then verb, then object. Subject, verb, and object. For example, I play cricket. I play cricket. In this sentence, I is a subject, play, verb, cricket is an object. Subject, then verb, then object. I play cricket. But in passive voice, the subject is not the doer of the action. In passive voice, object is given importance. Subject is not the doer of the action. So, in passive voice, object, then verb, then subject. Because object is more important, or object is given importance. So when you change a sentence from active to passive voice, subject will go in the place of object and object will come in the place of subject. For example, I play cricket. This sentence is in active voice. Now, when we change this sentence into passive voice, the object becomes important. That means object will go in the place of subject, subject will come in the place of object. Cricket is played by me. Cricket is played by me. So here we can see in passive voice we add by, and remember in passive voice we always use the past participle, a third form of the verb. In general we can say V3. V3, past participle of the verb, like write, wrote, written. So this third form of verb is always used in passive voice. Now next important thing, changing a sentence from active to passive voice is the tense. Dear children, if you know all the tenses, then only it is possible for you to attempt active and passive voice. Because tenses are very important in this. When we change a sentence from active to passive, the tense should remain same. The tense is very important. I'll give you one example for that. I am playing cricket. This sentence is in active voice. I am playing cricket. See the tense in this sentence. It is present continuous tense. Why? Because am an ing form of verb. Playing. We know that in present continuous tense we use am is are an ing form of verb. So with I am playing cricket, this sentence is in present continuous tense. Now when we change this sentence into passive voice, the tense should be remain same. So first thing we will do, we will change the object and the subject. So it will become cricket is played by me. Cricket is played by me. Now we have to make the sentence into present continuous tense, but we always use third form of verb, that is played. So to fulfill the criteria of continuous tense ing, we use being. What we use? Being, ing form of verb. Cricket is being played by me. The pronoun I changes into me. Cricket is being played by me. So the tense of the sentence is not changed here because we have used ing form of verb. So remember, when we use been with have, has or had, we use been to make the sentence into perfect tenses. So like this we should remember all the tenses, and according to that tense we add being or been when we change the sentence into passive voice. Like for example, was and were, we will use being. Because it is into continuous tense. I was playing cricket. It is past continuous tense. So I have to make the sentence, to keep the sentence into continuous tense we use being. To keep the sentence into perfect tense we use being. So like that easily you can change the sentence by fulfilling all the criteria. The sentence from active to passive voice. So the tense should remain the same. You should know the sentence is in which tense. So that is why first thing you learn all the tenses and then you attempt active and passive voice, it will be easy for you. So first thing, subject in active voice takes the place of object in passive voice. Object in the active voice takes the place of subject in the passive voice. In most of the sentence, we add by before object, and third form of verb is used in passive voice. Some sentences in active voice are without subject. So that means the subject is unknown, so we can assume a subject there. For example, my pocket was picked. My pocket was picked. Here the subject is unknown. So there we assume a subject, somebody picked my pocket. So like this, it is in the past tense, so we use picked my pocket. Like this, you can change a sentence from active to passive easily with the help of tenses. So in this video, we learned how to change a sentence from active to passive voice. What is active voice? What are the criteria to be fulfilled when a sentence is changed from active to passive? Thank you. Thank you very much.